Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Some jalebi, and I'm also getting some and this is what the light looks like. My energy is a bit low. I don't know why. I think it's the weather or something, but I'm not feeling 100%, if that makes sense. Also, I just ordered some stuff from TikTok, a torchlight. The torchlight from TikTok, the flashlight one. I've been wanting to order one of these because apparently the lighting is really good, and I'm also trying to invest more in my channel. The one where I do my true crime stories and all that. I will be back on that anyways. So I got this light, but I'm not sure how to turn this on. If you guys do know, then please do let me know. What is going on? How do I turn this on? Okay, so I just figured out, and this is what the light looks like. I hope you didn't get blind from that. Oh my, that's too much. That's too much. But this is what it looks like. I think it looks so good. Hold on, let me turn this off and see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, I think it looks really nice. Hi, are you here for looping? Okay. Do you mind opening your booth, please? Thank you. Oh, sure, Abby. Oh, that's fine. Thank you very much. Okay. Bismillah. Okay. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubuthi wal khaba'is. Bismillah tawakkaltu ala Allah, la hawla wala quwwata illa billah. Who you mommy? La hawla wala quwwata illa billah. You read it all the time? Yeah, all the time. That's good. What are you Muslim? Oh, okay, yeah, every time we leave a house, that's when we,
that's a good thing.
Yeah, because you don't know, like, what kind of Satan and, like, jinn.
And I want to ask him, before you leave your house, you say, the one I'm trying to teach you is Bismillah, alladhi la yadurru, bismihi shay'un fil ardi wala fis sama.
That's a good one,
like,
yeah.
Bismillah.
Oh, now I haven't heard that one before, so that's a good one.
Bangla language also like that, yeah.
But when someone asks me where I'm from,
we've come here after. Mummy, turn on your sunrise green tea. We've come here after such a long time. Gee, chabe picture. It's okay, fine. We're going to Sunrise. We literally, we're coming here after a month or so. This was quite close to our house, so that's why I used to come here quite often. But now that we've changed locations, I don't come here as much. So that's why we're gonna buy muri and all that. It's mine and Mum's favorite food, or snack you could say. So there it is. Yeah, did you find anything? Okay, perfect.
Actually, can you put the newspaper here as well? Because it might break. But this one is okay.
So my mom's fasting today. She's getting some jalebi, and I'm also getting some biscuit. I haven't had a sweet biscuit in a while. It's butter pistachio squares. It's $1.50, not bad. Might get this one as well.
Sorry, what did you say? $12.50.
So Mom got some jalebi, and I'm getting some biscuits for myself. We were looking at foundations because Mom doesn't have any foundation, and I was like, we're not delaying this any longer. We need to buy a foundation as soon as possible because my graduation is around the corner, so we need to buy a foundation. Mom is still here. She's still looking at foundation, and we still haven't found her shade. She's a bit too fair, so that's why we're having a hard time finding her shade. We're a bit tan, so that's why it's not that hard finding our shade. But with Mom, it's a different story. So I got this brush from Boots, an electric brush. So I got me an electric brush. I'm so confused. কিরকম ছিল? How was your day?
খুব ভালো।
You look really pretty, mashallah. She's got no makeup on. Me can.
Are you fasting?
No, today, tomorrow. I have a plan. Unless I'm fast today and tomorrow and the day after, but 3 days in a minimum.
Oh, mom's fasting today.
Yeah, I was tired, but tomorrow I'm fasting, inshallah. And it's 6 day for, you know, after Ramadan, 6 days.
Yeah.
For Shawwal. Name of month.
Yeah.
Then Ramadan, name of month.
Yeah.
This month, Ramadan, it's the last month. Now, Shawwal, Rajab, Sha'ban, like this.
This Shawwal month.
Yeah, Shawwal month, 6 days, yeah.